All right, you know what we need more of in this world? Battle passes. I don't think it's enough that every game has a battle pass, so I'm gonna start making my own YouTube battle pass right now. Let's do it. All right, YouTube battle pass. We're gonna start off with just listing what we need for this to actually work. So obviously a couple things are Google login, so people can log in with their YouTube account. Battle pass progress, obviously you can kind of track your battle pass progress. A premium battle pass, it's not a battle pass unless you have a premium one. And then obviously people can see all completed battle passes. So the way we're going to do this is with the YouTube API. I did some research on this, and apparently you can't just look up someone's like viewing history or history on YouTube, but you can see what videos they've liked. So you're going to be completing the battle pass by liking videos. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this done. All right, so it's been a couple hours. This took me way longer than I thought it was going to, but we got login with Google working. So, kind of expected behavior here. And then obviously this part's broken, but like at least you can log in, at least the thing's showing up. So it's a good start. All right, so I'm running into another problem, and I'm realizing that I need certain permissions from the user's YouTube account, right? So I can check like whether they like the video or not. So the problem is that when you log in with Google, you're gonna get, and you choose an account, you're gonna get this big error, this app isn't verified kind of thing. And obviously this is just gonna sketch people out. So, you can't really, like obviously right now I can just click advanced and go and bypass it and then get the permissions. But nobody's gonna really do that. So I've been reading about it more, and apparently I have to get it verified by Google, and to do that I literally have to like submit like a video demonstrating exactly what I'm doing. So I guess that's just something else I have to do now, but yeah, that's probably going to add a couple more days to this. All right, it's been a few days and I've been working on it every now and then, and I got most of the logic working. Still doesn't look the best, but as you can see, basically the battle pass is here. These are the videos you need to like. You can click watch video, and then you can go ahead and if you like the video, come back, check the status, and you can see that that you've liked the video. Yeah, so then there's still a couple things I need to do. Obviously it's kind of it looks a little whack right now. Like I'm not too happy with it, but yeah. All right, so I got an update on the Google review process. So with all the like scopes and permissions that we have to get approved. So what you have to do is you basically have to get like your app approved by Google. You send them like a little video, and you kind of go through like saying like, hey, like this is what it does, what's the idea behind it and all that. So I did all that, and then I submitted like the verification application, and they're saying that the review process can take up to 4 to 6 weeks. And when I read this, I was like, dude, there's no way I'm waiting 6 weeks for this to get back to me. Luckily, they got back to me relatively quick, within a couple days. And I got an email from them, and basically it's saying development and staging projects are not eligible for verification. So basically I have to actually like properly deploy my app before they can approve it. So I got a domain name luckily, and I have to actually now deploy it onto that domain and onto an actual server. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing right now. And yeah, so let's see how that goes. We're probably going to be using DigitalOcean here. AWS is kind of expensive depending on what you use. All right, that took a while, but as you can see here, refreshes the page. The domain name's correct. I got it installed on the proper domain. Everything's looking good. The database is hooked up. Google login works. There's a couple things I still need to figure out. But yeah, hopefully I can submit this to Google and they'll approve it. So fingers crossed. All right, so I've been going back and forth with Google a bunch, and they keep adding stuff to the list of requirements. Like they're telling me I need a privacy policy, certain things on the login page, on the home page, got to be different. Domains got to be verified, all this fun stuff. And they keep moving the goalposts, unfortunately. So there's a couple other ideas I want to start working on. So Google wins this round. I'm not going to be able to verify it, but I am just going to deploy what I have right now. It is basically pretty much entirely working. Like everything's here, it's all done. The big downside is that of it not being verified means that obviously you're going to get that warning sign when you sign in, but you know, just going to have to live with it. So yeah. All right. So I just deployed everything. It's looking pretty good. Everything's working. You can like the videos. I just completed the premium battle pass, as you can see here. Let's see if you can complete it. And yeah, you feel free to check it out. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.